In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a company in Gohighlevel. To get started, log into your Gohighlevel account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're inside the platform, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen, where the main navigation menu is located. This is where you'll find the different sections used to manage your CRM data, conversations, opportunities, and more. From that left side menu, click on Contacts. This will take you into the area where contact records and related business information are managed. After the Contacts section opens, look toward the top menu within that page and select Companies. This tab is specifically for organizing and storing company-level information, which is useful if you work with businesses rather than just individual contacts. Once you're on the Companies page, move to the upper right corner and click Add Company. This opens the form where you can enter the company details. From here, begin by typing in the company name. Make sure the name is accurate and spelled correctly, since this will help keep your records clean and easy to search later. Next, enter the phone number for the company. Use the main business number you want associated with that record. After that, add the company email address. It's a good idea to use the primary email for the business, so future communication stays organized in one place. Now enter the company website. This helps connect the record to the business's online presence and can make it easier to identify the correct company if you're managing several similar accounts. Then fill in the address field with the company's street address. Be as complete as needed so the record is clear and useful for your team. After the address, add the state in the appropriate field. This helps complete the company profile and can also improve filtering, segmentation, or reporting later, depending on how you use Gohighlevel in your workflow. Once you've filled in all the required company details, take a quick moment to review everything for accuracy. Even a small typo in the email, phone number, or website can create confusion later, so it's worth double checking before finishing. When everything looks good, click Save. That's it. The company has now been added to Gohighlevel. If you're building out your CRM, keeping these company records complete and consistent can make a big difference in staying organized and making your data more useful over time.